Buenos dias, Senorita Nunuk. I'm about to climb up these steps and show you the rain damage. But you think you are in the middle of a forest. Listen to the water. It probably was flooding a couple of days ago, but you can see it is actually surrounded by apartments. This is a very beautiful part of Bogota to live, for which I am very, very glad. So I'm climbing up the steps. And this road that goes up the Andes, very popular with the cyclists on a weekend, which is what it is today. And it's actually closed way up at the top. But these Colombian cyclists are the most rude and arrogant people. I totally detest them. They have no manners. But so moved away from the machines. A lot of these hills have come down on the top, forcing the road closure. So now I'm going all downhill, so I won't be out of breath. Hasta luego.